No garage is complete without a garage door opener, literally. And Sears is the place to go to get started. Come in and get set up with anything you need, from battery backup, next day installation, and quiet belt drives. Check this out.
Craftsman garage door opener accessories add even greater control and convenience to your lifestyle. As you approach your home, you can turn the lights on, so your home is illuminated before you enter. The Craftsman plug-in light control lets you turn on inside lights from your car using your remote control.
Hey, thanks for watching. And remember, for all your tool needs,